then I am the Reverend Javier Smoove. And God's been good to me. Oh, yes, He has. All of my family's in the misery.
Boy, I think you meant to say ministry.
And for a long time, we've all been, perpetrating.
Y'all been perpetrating what?
Preaching the gospel of the prescription. And all the prescriptions are holy. Am I right about it?
What?
Am I right about it?
Yeah,
You got to talk to me. Come on. I'm Reverend Smoove now. Come on now. Come on, you got to talk back to me. Oh, yeah, baby. All right. So we're going to get right into this. The biblical say in, let me see, Matthew chapter 18 and verse number 15. That's 1-5. Bible says in the book of the gospel of Matthew, chapter number 18. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Verse number 15. As the young doves would say on the street. Moreover, if thy brother shall trespass against thee, go and tell him his fault between thee and him alone. And
if we all be drunk, excuse me, at this moment, my bad, Pastor.
And if he shall hear thee, thou hast gained that brother. But if he will not hear thee, the prescription says oh, I had to sneeze. I think I didn't. I think it's
Y'all do me a favor. Look around your feet and see if you see my teeth. Do me a favor.